So hey guys, just a few days before the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is supposed to be announced, almost all the info about it has already leaked out. The phone's pictures have been leaked on multiple occasions and now the hands-on video of the phone has gone viral, giving us a sneak peek at the phone and what it looks like in real life. The Galaxy S23 FE appeared in a smartphone store. The device can be seen in its black-grey avatar and its metal frame is clearly visible. The default wallpaper can also be seen in this leaked hands-on video. The bezels around the screen seem quite thick and it looks very similar to the Galaxy A54 that was launched early this year. With all this, we also got the price of the S23 FE, which is less than Pixel 8 and has almost similar specs. According to several leaks, the Pixel 8 will carry a price tag of $699, that is $100 more compared to the Pixel 7. As the Pixel 8 is bringing several upgrades including a 120Hz screen with a 200 nits peak brightness and a newer processor. But this side, the Galaxy S23 FE could be cheaper than its predecessor. Yes, according to a new leak, the Galaxy S23 FE could cost just $599 in the US, which is a $100 price cut compared to the launch price of the Galaxy S21 FE. If this information is correct, the Galaxy S23 FE could appear more attractive to a lot of users. At $599, the Galaxy S23 FE offers a slightly bigger screen, a similar powerful processor, and more importantly, a dedicated 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Moreover, the Galaxy S23 FE will be launching in more countries worldwide compared to the Pixel 8. Combine that with Samsung's wide after-sales service network and the Pixel 8 might have a hard time attracting buyers. Samsung is also known to offer some excellent pre-order deals and offers with its phones. The only area where users could prefer the Pixel 8 despite its higher price tag could be the promise of 7 years of software support as opposed to Galaxy S23 FE's 5 years of software support. All in all, the Galaxy S23 FE is giving a head-to-head competition to the Pixel 8, especially in the price tag. Samsung is set to launch the FE series of devices. It will be fun to see how these devices do in the market and in hands. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 FE? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.